This Accuteck digital scale came well packaged. The outside of the box lists a few of the key features of the scale, including a bullet point indicating the scale has a 50-pound capacity. Let's open it up to see what is inside and then we'll test it out. First we have the power supply and of course the scale itself enclosed in a thin foam envelope. We also have a couple of pieces of paper, which I'm guessing is the warranty and the instruction manual. It lists the key functions and some setup steps. The scale also comes with some batteries. These look like they are AAA batteries. On the top of the scale, there's a note that instructs us to remove the cardboard under the scale platform before using. The lid opens up to the scale platform, but I don't see any cardboard, so I guess they left it out by mistake. On the front panel, we have the power button on the left, and on the right, we have a small LCD display, which I assume allows you to hold the weight, given there is a hold button on the side. Flipping the scale around, the bottom of the scale comes with 4 felt pads, so when you place it on a table surface, it won't scratch the table. And there's also a battery panel. Looks like it requires 3 AAA batteries, which is odd since the package only included 2 batteries. Anyhow, let's test the scale out. The large LCD display shows the weight of each item you place onto the scale. The default measurement is pounds and ounces. And for the ounces, if you are measuring lightweight items, it will measure to an accuracy of 1 decimal. I also read somewhere in the instruction booklet that there is an auto shut off after 90 seconds of non-use if you are on battery power. And in case you run out of batteries, you can also plug in the power supply towards the back of the scale. And here's the size of the scale in case you need to find a snug place to put it in. Looks like it's just under 10 inches by 7 inches.